Good morning, students. So, student, let's start with today's topic, lesson 3 of history, the coming of the Turks. Now, after the Muhammad Ghori, when he left the territories in India, then he left the India under the charge of his general Qutbuddin Aibak. And from Qutbuddin Aibak, the new dynasty that was started in our history, and the dynasty which was started, that was slave dynasty, and slave dynasty was also called Mamluk dynasty. And who is the founder of this dynasty? Qutbuddin Aibak. He was the founder of this dynasty, and Qutbuddin Aibak was the first Sultan of Delhi. He is known as the founder of this slave dynasty, Mamluk dynasty, and the word Mamluk means slave, right? So that is why this dynasty started by calling its name slave dynasty. So Qutbuddin Aibak, he was a great builder. He built the Kubayat ul Islam Mosque in Delhi and Dhai Din Ka Jhopra in Ajmer. And Qutbuddin Aibak was also known as Lakh Baksh. Why? Because he was known as Lakh Baksh. Why? Because he gave away lot of wealth in charity. So next is Iltutmish. Qutbuddin Aibak was succeeded by Iltutmish, his son-in-law. So Iltutmish is regarded as the real founder of this Delhi of this slave dynasty, and he reorganized the nobility by forming Chalisa. Chalisa means a selecting group of 40 nobles who were very loyal to the ruler. Next is Tanka and Jital. That was silver and copper coins that was started by the Iltutmish. Iltutmish and next is Razia Sultan. Razia Sultan was the first and the last Muslim ruler who sat on the throne of Delhi. Right, she was very wise ruler, and she had to face opposition from her brothers as well as the nobles. And she ruled lasted only for 4 years. Last one is Ghiyasuddin Balban. Balban, after the death of Nasiruddin, Nasiruddin Muhammad was the last was the brother of the Razia Sultan, and after his death, Ghiyasuddin Balban declared himself as Sultan, and he had to face many challenges. He faced strong opposition of Chalisa, right? And he started this blood and irony policy, and he also started the Sijad and Pebos. Sijad means he introduced this to Sijdah and Pebos. Sijda means, refers to the practice touching the ground with forehead in, salute given to the Sultan. And Pebos means kissing the feet of the king, and that was started by the Ghiyasuddin Balban. So, Ghiyasuddin Balban was the last ruler of the Delhi Sultanate, was the powerful and the last ruler of the Ghiyasuddin Balban was the powerful ruler of the Delhi Sultanate. And after his death, Ghiyasuddin Balban death, Jalauddin Khilji became the ruler of the Delhi, and from the Jalauddin Khilji new dynasty that was started, Khalji dynasty. So student, tomorrow we will discuss about the Khalji dynasty. Thank you.